Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how I do my 5-minute no foundation look. Refreshing my skin with Primer Plus 3-in-1 setting spray, then going in with instant full cover concealer under my eyes, around my nose, and on any of my blemishes. This is going to be the main coverage on my skin. Wait for 2 minutes for the concealer to semi-set before blending it all out. Warming up my skin with cool walnut foundation stick. I like popping a little on my hand, then using my brush to buff it on. A good tip if you are really heavy-handed is to hold your brush at the end of the stem for a lighter touch. For a little glow, I'm sweeping Bronze Glow highlighting powder on the high points of my face, then using Mango Mood Crush Liquid Lip as a dewy blusher. To set my makeup and an extra touch of coverage, I'm dusting Skin Weightless foundation powder where I need it. For eyes, I'm drawing Shore Cream Shadow Stick all over my eye, then blending it out with my finger. Then running the gorgeous Heat Ray Luxe shadow along my lash line, followed by Cocoa eyeshadow on the top and bottom. Adding a little extra definition with rich brown eyeshadow right along the lash line, then softly buffing it out. If you want a little sparkle, go ahead and sweep Cement Sparkle all over the lid. I love sparkles, so I went in with Moonstone as well. Taking Shell Cream Shadow Stick and running this on my waterline for an eye-opening look. And of course, popping on Smokey Eye Mascara to finish off the eyes. I'm lining my lips with Cocoa Lip Pencil, then adding the beautiful Luxe Defining Lip Color in Romantic all over. A good tip if you want to add a little color is to press a brighter color through the center of your lips, then tap it out. I use the color Bitten Peach in the Luxe Matte Lip. I love finishing this look with a little bronzer buffed into the inner and outer corners of my eyes for a little definition, then adding a last spritz of setting spray. And there you have it, my 5-minute no foundation look. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.